Christmas carol. Connecting. Yes. So, from all
repeating.
Oh, no repeating ha. So, kung halimbawa inulit ka, we're given at least 3 seconds to compose. Okay? Oh, with prizes yan ha. Okay. So, we're going to carol our board of directors.
Judges!
Judges!
Jingle bells na lang! Jingle bell, di ba? Ito yan, thank you na
Start!
Okay, at least mga ano ha, pababa ha. Okay, ready?
Yun!
Bali kakanta sila ng Christmas song. So, dapat, walang uulitin. Tapos next department. So, dun sa hindi ano, give it 3 seconds, hindi sila mga sing, automatic will be out.
5 seconds.
5 seconds, okay, 5 seconds for you to think about it. Okay, ready?
Kayo, tagabilang. Kay judges kayo.
Okay, ready? Sige. Dutungan tayo songs.
Silent, please.
2 minutes na lang.
Ready? In-house.
Kung ano.
Lahat ay may saya, nagluto ang atin, ang mga tinola, labay, ay meron ng sumapa, ang ratma,
Yay!
maraming kaya.
Sado yun ha?
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Dapat pabalik. Dapat pabalik eh. Dapat pabalik.
Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Bungay, basta meron. Darating.
Wala na! Wala na!